Crisp, Director for Systems Analysis and Concepts, Directorate. We are in place in order to solve the problems of aeronautics, exploration, and science. We inform decision makers at headquarters about the challenges ahead. There are challenges coming to us over the next 50 to 100 years that we need to start looking at now. If we want to work and live on Mars, there's much to be accomplished. If we want aviation to look different in the future and solve our emissions, our noise problems, there's much to be accomplished there, and we participate in all of that.
Within Systems Analysis and Concepts Directorate, we do collaborate among our branches. I'm in the aeronautics branch, but there is a space branch, it's kind of our sister branch, and there's a vehicles branch as well. And so in the Aeronautics Systems Analysis branch, our job really is to work on advanced concepts, to assess advanced technologies, to try to estimate the potential for advanced technologies to improve essentially our life here in relation to aeronautics.
The Space Mission Analysis branch looks at a number of the future space missions that could be or will be in NASA's future.
I work in the Vehicle Analysis branch. We've worked designing vehicles and evaluating technologies and how they improve vehicles for space exploration.
SACD is the people who help shape the future of what NASA will eventually do. One of the big projects that a lot of us in the Space Mission Analysis branch, or SMAB, work on is the Evolvable Mars campaign. That's understanding what the path is from where we are right now through the development of the Space Launch System and Orion, through the design of the more advanced systems needed to do, for example, the Asteroid Robotic Redirect mission, on the way to eventually going to and exploring Mars with humans, and indeed building towards a future of pioneering Mars.
I'm working on the reusable Mars lander that takes crew or payload back and forth from Mars orbit to Mars surface that will be used when we get to the human Mars missions.
We're looking at concepts called personal air vehicles. It's kind of been a dream for a long time that you can go out into your driveway instead of getting in your car and getting on the interstate, sitting in a big traffic jam. Wouldn't it be cool if you could get in your personal air vehicle and take off and fly to your destination, and there's no traffic jams, and you get there very quickly, and it's very safe and convenient.
The facilities that we have at Langley help us understand how to get our design from paper to flight. Every aircraft in the past, everyone you're flying in, has had a Langley influence. But we work with many people outside of NASA. We love collaboration. We're looking to industry to support us. We're looking to academia to support us. We're looking for research and engineering, our partners right here on the lab, to support us, and every other center in the agency.
I've worked with undergraduate students, and I've worked with veterans who've been here for 50 years working in NASA. I've worked with people from all around the country. I've worked with people who have backgrounds in engineering, backgrounds in science, backgrounds in non-technical fields, and it's all of those perspectives that come together that really allow us to do the kind of work we do here.
I work on designing habitats, which are the vehicles that astronauts would live in for long-duration trips on the way to Mars and the Moon.
I work on concept aircraft and launch vehicles.
I do a lot of system architecture analysis, distributed electric propulsion.
Low boom supersonic aircraft.
We get a rich variety of perspectives on the problem, and it really adds a lot of value.
Personnel in SACD are excited to come to work every day because we're motivated to serve the nation, creating a legacy that our next generation can build on to solve the problems that they will experience.
It's a very exciting place to work due to the challenging nature of the work, the advanced technologies.
Very exciting activities to look at concepts and missions.
I've got the opportunity to be on the cutting edge.
It's not just here are the requirements and come up with an engineering solution. We get to pick the requirements and pick several engineering solutions that can achieve those goals. In fact, we even get to pick the goals sometimes.
I love the people that I work with. They are just so intelligent and just so innovative and creative.
You get to work with medical doctors, you get to work with video game designers, you get to work with robotics engineers.
To make wonderful relationships with people all around the world.
Getting into all the different fields and learning about a little bit of everything.
I work with different groups, I meet new people, and I'm constantly learning.
I get to work on building the future of humanity every single day, and I love it.
I've always been inspired by the organization. It's where we germinate new ideas and then we bring others on that trip and they contribute, and our end result is so much better with everyone that comes with us.